Charlie Brown. Can your dog come outside to romp aimlessly with me?
I'll see if he is available. Snoopy!
Welcome to Snoopy's neighborhood.
Prepare to board.
We're already on board, Captain Sir.
There's so much to see and do. Let's get started. First stop, Snoopy's doghouse. It's the ultimate hangout spot.
I knew we'd be the talk of the street.
But only after you've finished your school project.
Ta-da! This is the first time in history the great golfer Snoopy completed the final hole in only 127 shots. C-! Yeah, woohoo!
If things heat up, go ahead and walk down the street for a dip in the pool. Just remember,
No dodgers in a pool!
want to see a movie? Head this way.
You don't like scary movies. Good grief.
If it's a breezy day, it's the perfect time to grab your kite.
I bet the kite-eating tree doesn't like its kites pre-chewed.
Just be careful where you fly it. Or maybe you want to get a game going right here at the baseball field.
Let nothing distract you from this pitch. But I didn't even throw it yet.
Need to chill out? Grab your sled and hit the slopes. And if you can spare a nickel, there's a place everyone goes for some good advice.
We've lost every baseball game so far. I'm not sure we're ever gonna win one.
Cheer up, Charlie Brown. You shouldn't have any doubt.
You think so?
There's no way your team is ever going to win. That will be 5 cents, please.
Hungry for a snack? Go right this way over to Charlie Brown's house.
Oh boy, blueberry muffins! My favorite.
And that's not all. There's always something to discover in Snoopy's neighborhood. Come on by and visit anytime. We'll see you soon.
Come on, everyone! Yeah!
Hooray! Can't wait!
The Snoopy Show, only on Apple TV+.